for you a Salsa Verde in the Vitamix E310. I absolutely love Salsa Verde. I've been making this recipe a lot recently. It's absolutely delicious over anything. If you eat meat, you can put it over fish, roasted vegetables, you can even put this on toast. It tastes absolutely amazing. So basically every country has their own version of a green sauce. Salsa Verde is like a Spanish or Italian. In Brazil they call it a chimichurri. The British, just call it a mint sauce. So check out these beautiful herbs I've got down here, straight out of my herb garden this morning. And then I've got all these other beautiful fresh ingredients. So I'm gonna get started now. First, I'm gonna put in my beautiful herbs. So one big handful of mint, one big handful of parsley, and one big handful of basil. But you can use any herbs you like, it doesn't matter at all. Smell how good that is. And then I've got about a cup of olive oil here. In that goes, beautiful. I've got some red wine vinegar. Just check out the recipe on our website for the exact recipe ingredients. I've got some capers with a little bit of the brine in there. All right, put that in, beautiful. I've got some seeded mustard, a little bit of flavor, a little bit of tamari, and that goes. A nice salty sort of flavor. I've got two beautiful garlic cloves, nice and fresh. And usually I'd use some dill pickle or baby cucumbers, but today I'm just gonna use a little bit of fresh cucumber. That'll be fine in there as well. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna lock our lid into place. And I'm gonna use my tamper and high speed, just for 20 to 30 seconds, just until it's ready. I don't wanna overdo it. I still want some nice texture to it. So let's go. I forgot to put in a little bit of my fresh seaweed, okay? So that's gonna give it a really nice flavor, so I don't wanna forget about that. I'm just gonna chop that through really quickly, just on a slow speed. There we go, nearly forgot about it. All right, try some of that. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color, absolutely delicious. Try a little bit of that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna have that for lunch right now over some beautiful fresh bread. Happy blending.